In the quiet hours before dawn, a master craftsman prepares for a new creation. Here, in this traditional leather workshop, the art of craftsmanship is still alive and thriving. A world of precision tools and delicate techniques, where every stitch and every cut matters. The raw material of luxury, premium vegetable tanned cowhide, is carefully unrolled and inspected by skilled artisans. A close examination reveals the intricate textures and imperfections that give leather its unique character. Quality control is a meticulous process, ensuring every detail meets the highest standards of excellence. Organized and efficient, the manufacturing workflow is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Deep within the tannery, a massive hydration tank is filled with water and the transformation begins. Underwater, the leather fibers absorb the water, revealing the intricate dance of science and nature. The historic tannery's massive wooden drums rotate slowly, a symphony of industry and transformation. As the rich amber tanning liquor washes over the leather hides, a new material is born. Time-lapse reveals the tanning drums rotating through day and night, a mesmerizing display of industry and tradition. Deep mahogany leather dye pours into the stainless dye vessel, a slow-motion fluid dynamic of color and light. At the dye bath surface, the leather transforms, a breathtaking display of science and artistry. Inside the climate-controlled chamber, rows of premium leather hides dry slowly, a symphony of patience and craftsmanship. With precision and care, the artisan applies conditioning oil to the leather, a final touch of luxury and detail. The cotton polishing wheel rotates, a slow-motion dance of leather and metal, a testament to human ingenuity. On the workbench, the artisan carefully aligns the paper patterns with the leather grain, a crucial step in the crafting process. With a single, precise cut, the leather knife slices through the thick leather, a demonstration of skill and craftsmanship. Every component of the glove is placed with precision and care, a testament to the attention to detail of the master craftsman. The French edge beveler glides smoothly along the leather perimeter, a precision finishing technique that requires great skill and patience. With each stroke, the stitching chisel punches perfect diamond-shaped holes into the stacked leather panels, a demonstration of craftsmanship and precision. The waxed linen thread flows through the saddle stitch sequence, a slow-motion dance of leather and thread, a testament to human skill and artistry. The glove assembly process unfolds, a symphony of precision and craftsmanship, as the finger panels are attached to the palm section. The reinforced palm panel is installed with precision and care, a demonstration of the attention to detail and craftsmanship that goes into every glove. The extended falconry cuff is stitched onto the glove body, a slow-motion display of luxury craftsmanship and attention to detail. The brass rivet is compressed into the leather reinforcement point, a slow-motion display of precision and craftsmanship. The completed glove is inspected under bright daylight, a meticulous examination of every stitch and detail. Time-lapse reveals the completed falconry glove taking shape on the wooden hand form, a testament to the power of human ingenuity. The traditional bow and folder polishes the glove edges to a glass-like finish, a slow-motion display of luxury detailing and craftsmanship. The premium leather cream is applied to the finished glove, a final touch of luxury and conditioning. At the quality control station, the inspector examines the completed glove, a meticulous examination of every detail and stitch. In the golden hour, the professional falconer extends a luxury leather glove, a dramatic display of skill and partnership. The falcon's talons grip the reinforced leather cuff,